Welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to use shortcut key for paste special. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, select the data which you want to copy. So for copy the data, press Ctrl and C. So after that, select the cells where you want to copy. So here use shortcut key for paste special. So shortcut key is press Alt E and S. So you can see paste special. So here you can see the options of paste. So if you want to paste values, so select values. So if you want to paste formulas, format, comment and notes and validation options. So because I want to paste special values, so that's why I am selecting values. So after that, click on OK. So you can see values are pasted. So guys, in this way you can use shortcut key for paste special. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.